Hey friends, if you wish to install Intel high definition audio drivers on your system, then please watch this video. So open your browser and search for Intel high definition audio drivers and then click on Intel high definition audio driver. Now click on this option to download it for Windows 10 and Windows 11. I mean, this is the latest one. It still gives options for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So click on save as and then select a good location. Click on that. It will need a few seconds to save it. Now this is a zipped file, okay? So right click on it and then select extract all. Extract. It will need a few seconds to extract the file. And once it extracts it, you will be able to scroll down and double click on setup. Okay. This is how you will install this driver on your system. It will start installing by yourself. You don't need to do anything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.